On my way to Ottawa. It's 6:30 a.m. Nice smooth drive so far, nobody on the road, just the way I like it. Well, we gotta gas up first stop. Never touch those things. Yeah guys, so as I was saying, first gas up on my way to Ottawa. It's about a 4.5 hour drive. It's not bad. I'm already about an hour in and smooth. It's what I like, man. Get up early, get the job done, get back home to the wife and family, right? So I was contacted last week and they asked me to do literally like 15 items from Mississauga, Scarborough actually, from Scarborough to Ottawa. A kid had moved and the parents want to send him his furniture and stuff. So I said, yeah, no problem. 15 items is not bad, man. I don't want to say the price, but it's well above 2K. And it only makes sense because fuel alone there and back is going to take me about $450, $500. Then I can profit the rest, right? But you just gotta put the hustle in. That's what I'm saying. You gotta put the hustle in. Trust me. Time after time, man. Hard work pays off. Trust me, it really does. But hard work, consistency, loyalty, trustworthy, and to me, most of all, is just being that kind person. Being a kind person, do what you can do, help out where you can help out, cut costs where you can cut costs. It goes a long way. People respect you and will remember you for stuff like that. Now what? 87 wasn't an empty tank, so let's see if I can reach 110. For some reason I have a feeling that this video is lopsided because I'm looking at the camera and it looks lopsided, so hopefully you guys can see me alright. Oh, I'm over the 110 mark. There we go, 122.59. Let's run into Starbucks, grab a coffee, and be on our way. Alright, so I keep making this mistake and getting tall when I don't know what the hell these sizes are, man, but this shit is so small. I always make this mistake. I need to get the biggest size. So let me know in the comments down below what's the name of the biggest size so I can stop making this mistake. Oh jeez. Anyways, on the road again. Sorry if the audio is not the best. I'm charging my mic right now. But a little tip for you guys, for you truckers, even people driving cars, to be honest, anyone driving a vehicle, in that matter. You're in the slow lane. All truckers should always be in the right lane, no matter what. If you want to overtake another truck, another car, another vehicle on your left, be sure that you have enough speed and momentum going. It is not my responsibility if I'm in the right lane to slow down for you to let you in. That's not how it works. I am not slowing down to let you in. Pick up enough speed, go over, go down, merge back over. But once you merge back over, don't slow down in front of me. Because I promise you, I'll go around you again. And now we're in trouble. So pick up enough speed, merge into your left lane, keep going, merge back over into your right lane. Don't come to my window and tell me to slow down or to stare at me. You ain't intimidating me, bro. It's not happening. Merge properly, pick up enough speed. That's my tip for the day. Wow. Prime example. Taking way too long to go over. He doesn't have enough momentum. He's picking up, but he's taking way too long. Now he's causing a traffic block. Bro, you didn't have it, you shouldn't have done it yet. Come on, man. Get with it. Driving etiquette, man. Know how to drive, especially if you're driving a truck. Look at that, still going. Sorry about the video. Still going, still going. This guy here in the right lane, don't expect him to slow down to let your ass in. You shouldn't have been over there if you weren't ready. Still holding up traffic. So I'm leaving Ottawa now, filled up 150. It took 150 and I'm out of here, man. So I'll show you guys what else is popping. It was an easy move. Like I said, it was about 15 to 20 items of furniture, small furniture and small boxes. Delivered that. He had someone there to help me, so I didn't have to bring nothing inside, although I did, because that's just the kindness of me. I helped bring 2 items inside and waited for that deposit to go through. Not deposit, waited for the final payment to go through. It went through. Now I'm out. Let's see, what time is it? 12:23. Let's see what time it takes me to get back to my truck yard. All right, stay tuned. Saturday, 6 p.m. Toronto. This is ridiculous, man. So what's gonna happen when it starts to snow? This is not something I'm looking forward to at all. Way too much traffic for no reason. Where the frig is everybody going? So 966 kilometers is what I just did today on a Saturday. From Mississauga to, where did I go again? To not Edmonton, what am I talking about? Mississauga to Ottawa. Ottawa back to Mississauga, 966 kilometers, wow. And I did that within 12 hours and 13 minutes. Stopped 3 times for gas. I'll have to add up gas, let's see. I think it was 150, 122, and 110. I gotta go back and check out, but I'll add it here so you guys can see how much it was in gas. Long drive. It wasn't brutal. It was me by myself, nobody else, right? I don't like to drive with people. I don't want to drive with people. I don't need to drive with people. So I did that run. I wasn't tired. I got tired maybe in the morning around the 9 o'clock while the sun was really starting to come out. I didn't doze off, but I yawned a few times. Anyway, so I got that out the way, and now I'm back. Now I'm feeling tired, and I still have 45-minute drive to go home now. So my baby over there, right? So that's what it is, man. Weekend work, got that bag, secured the bag. I'm not gonna tell you guys how much I made anymore. It's just weird. Some of you guys are weirder, I'm not gonna lie. Some of you guys are asking me to, if you guys can borrow money. I don't even know you. Why would you ask me that? So that's another story. I'm not gonna get into that. But yeah, on my way home now, eat some food, relax, sleep, and church tomorrow. That's what's up. So thanks guys for watching as always. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and all that bullshit, right? Peace.